Welcome back, everyone. For today's project, we're diving into creating a brand new game, Balloon Clicker. Let's jump right in.
For that first need we need a sprite balloon. So that we add the balloon sprite, this one, and we need to paint a backdrop. Yeah, you can choose any backdrop you want. I am here drawing this one. Yeah, then click on balloon, set size to 70 and go to codes. When flag clicked, hide, and we want to add a new variable score and set score to 0 forever. Wait 1 second and broadcast, not broadcast, create clone of myself. When I start as a clone, change color and go to X and Y, pick random 1 to 100 colors, 1 to 100 and 1 to not 1 minus 200 to 200 and y is equal to minus 150 and repeat until and y position is greater than 180. Y position is greater than 180 and delete this clone. Not that, change y by 2, change y by 2 and wait 0.01 seconds. Wait 0.01 seconds and if y position is greater than 150 and delete this clone and when this sprite clicked forever, if operators and mouse down touching mouse pointer, change score by 1, then delete this clone. Yeah, that's it. So you can check the game if it works or not. Yeah, we want to add a show variable, not a variable. Show block here. Yeah, when it goes upward, it will disappear. Yeah, that's it. And yeah, rename it as balloon clicker. And if you have any doubts, ask in the comments. If you didn't subscribe, please subscribe and like and share.